Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to on off battery saver on Oppo mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here you just scroll like this. Then you are going to find on the down is the battery option. Here is the battery, so just click on battery. When you move on battery, here you are going to find this power saving mode. Okay, so if you want to turn on battery saver, what you need to do is that you just click on this icon like this. Here the battery saver will be activated and this color of the battery will be in orange color. Okay, and if you want to off this battery saver, you just click on this icon again. Okay, oh, it has been off now, so you just click on this icon like this. So here the battery saver will be set off. Okay, you can on off like this, right? Okay, and friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.